Guys, we're playing Genshin Impact ngayon. This is not my account. So, we're getting 60 FPS. Yan. So, by the way, kung makita nyo, naka 99% kita sa graphics. And then, the CPU is 60%. So, makita nyo, this is a graphics intensive na game. Kasi, it's getting a lot of, processing power sa graphics card. So, 99%. So, kung naka-Athlon 200 GE ka, you can just buy a graphics card and then everything will go smoothly. So, ang settings ng, ng game, sa graphics, naka 1440p tayo. I-zoom in nyo lang, guys. And, ang FPS nakaset sa 60. VSync is off. By the way, VSync is kung ilan ang refresh rate ng monitor nyo, sumasabay ang FPS. So, we need to turn that off para makaabot tayo beyond ng 30, 45, or 60. Ang render resolution, kung iset natin sa 1 at balik tayo, magandang graphics. Pero, we're getting 30 FPS. So, kung kaya nyo maglaro ng ganitong lock sa 30 FPS, so okay yan. But if you want 60 FPS, you have to set the render resolution to 0.6, and then the rest is off. Okay, low, set natin surface scattering off. Okay, yan. So we're getting 60 FPS. So guys, explain ko lang ulit. Ang wattage na to, yan ang pinupull ng CPU na wattage. So, it's getting 27 watts. Ang temperature ng CPU natin is 45 degrees. Nang nakaset ang clock speed ng CPU ng Athlon 200 GE sa 3.2 GHz or 3200. 50 to 60 lang ang kinakain niya sa processing power. But the graphics, grabe talaga. So, Genshin Impact, that's how you know kung isang laro GPU intensive siya or CPU intensive. Kasi may mga games talaga na designed para sa CPU intensive na mga and then graphics card intensive naman ng mga games. So far okay naman Yan. So guys, if you have an Athlon 200 GE and if you want to play ng Genshin Impact, you can. So guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Peace!